Good morning students. So we are doing chapter number 8 motion, and today we will discuss the question answers of page number 109. So question number 1 is a bus starting from rest move with a uniform acceleration of 0.1 meter per second square for 2 minutes. You have to find first the speed acquired and the distance traveled. So let's start. First of all, you have to find what is given to you. A bus starting from rest. Rest means u, that is initial velocity, is 0. Anything which start from the rest, that means u is 0. U is initial velocity. Move with a uniform acceleration of 0.1 meter per second square. That means acceleration is given to 0.1 meter per second square. Now what is given next? 2 minutes. That means time is 2 minutes. Now we have to find the speed. That means we have to find the initial velocity of speed, that is v. So we have studied earlier that we have the three laws, three equations. V is equal to u plus at. V square minus u square is equal to 2as, and third is s is equal to ut plus half at square. So out of these, which formula we will apply? So see, in this we have to find out v, and u, a and t is given to us. So we will apply formula number 1. V is equal to u plus a t. Now put the values of u, a and t. So v is equal to 0 plus a 0.1. But see, this is second and this is in meter. So you have to convert the 2 meter into seconds. How will you convert it? Yes, we have to multiply it by 60. That means 120 seconds. The unit of both should be same. Multiply by 120. Now we will solve this. 1 upon 10, 120. That means v is equal to 12 meter per second. So we have find out the first part, that is speed. Now we have to find the distance. Now distance is s. Now in this we can apply the formula number 3rd. S is equal to ut plus half at square. U is what? 0. Multiply by time is 120 plus half into acceleration 0.1 into 120 into 120. That is 0 plus 1 upon 10 multiply by 120 into 120. 6. Answer is 6 into 120, that is 720 meter. So the distance is 720 meter. So let's start question number 2. A train is traveling at a speed of 90 km per hour. Brakes are applied so as to produce a uniform acceleration of minus 0.5 meter per second square. Find how far the train will go before it brought to be rest. So identify what is given to us. First of all, a train is traveling with the speed of 90 km per hour. That means a train is moving with the speed, that is initial speed is 90 km per hour. Brake are applied. That means when the brake is applied, then it come to the rest after applying a brake. That means its final velocity is 0. Whenever a brake is applied, the final velocity becomes 0. Now, so as to produce a uniform acceleration of 0.5 meter per second square, that means acceleration is minus 0.5 meter per second square. We have to find out how far the train is traveled will go before it brought to be rest. That means we have to find the distance. So first of all, we had this is kilometer per hour and this is second. So we have to convert the 90 kilometer per hour to meter per second. How will you convert? 90 multiply by 1000 kilometer into meter and hours into second by dividing it by 60 into 60. So when you solve this, your answers comes to be 25 meter per second. Okay, now we have to apply a formula so that we can get the distance. So the formula we will apply is v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Okay, so put the value v square is equal to 0 minus u square is equal to 90 25. 25 square is equal to 2 into a is minus 0.5 into s. Now we have to find s. So s is there, 0 ka square minus 25 square divided by 2 into minus 0.5. 25 into 25 is 625 and 2 multiplied by 1.0 is equal to s. That means s is equal to 625 meters. So how far the train goes? Distance is 625 meters. Now question number 3. A trolley while going down in an inclined plane has an acceleration of 2 cm per second square. What will be its velocity 3 seconds after its start? Now what is given to us? A trolley while going down in an inclined plane have an acceleration of 2 cm per square. That means acceleration is 2 cm per second square. What will be its velocity 3 seconds after its start? That means 3 seconds is time. Time is 3 seconds. Velocity we have to find and initial velocity is 0. So we will apply the formula v is equal to u plus at. So v we have to find, the value of u is 0, acceleration is 2, multiply by time is 3. So the velocity is 3 centimeter per second square. Question number 4. A racing car has a uniform acceleration of 4 meter per second square. What distance will it cover in 10 seconds after start? So what is given to us? A racing car has a uniform acceleration 4 meter per second square. That means acceleration is 4 meter per second square. What distance it will cover? That means we have to find out the distance s and within 10 seconds. So time is 10 seconds. So racing car u is equal to 0. Okay, now the formula for finding out the s is equal to ut plus half at square. Now put the value u is equal to 0, t is equal to 10 plus half, acceleration is 4 into 10 into 10. That means 10 into 0 0 plus 200. That means s is equal to 200 meters.